Would you like to increase your after-sales turnover? But you're running out of time or the clear information you need to know how to do something. What if you could be sure that you reach the right customers with the right offer at the right time without wasting time? With Performance, your predictive marketing service, you can use the data in your DMS to create effective marketing campaigns. Try it out. Make it automatic. The result? Build customer loyalty, increase your turnover, develop your sales, and continually build up your customer base. At Solware Auto, you're never alone. A team is with you every step of the way, with no subcontracting, for fast answers and a service that is just for you. Performance offers you validation of your actions, analysis of repair order volumes, personalized communications, multi-site and multi-brand management, returns rates, economic indicators, and much more. So don't wait any longer. Try Performance now. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. More efficiency, less complexity. Need more information? Contact us today.